Hello and welcome to today's podcast. I'm your host, and in this series, we'll explore the ins and outs of building a powerful online portfolio for your business. Whether you are a creative professional, an entrepreneur, or a small business owner, having a strong online portfolio can set you apart and open doors to countless opportunities. I'll break down the process step by step, making it simple and actionable, even if you are starting from scratch. Let's dive right in. Imagine a potential client searching for your services online. What do they find? If your answer is not much or a basic social media page, then it's time to level up. An online portfolio is your digital storefront. It's the place where you showcase your work, your expertise, and your unique value. Having a portfolio means you control your narrative. Instead of letting potential clients make assumptions about your skills, you present evidence that demonstrates your capabilities. Whether it's showcasing projects, testimonials, or your process, a portfolio is a powerful way to build trust and credibility. Throughout this series, we learn how to create one that works for you, not just as a display but as a strategic tool to attract business. Before we start designing or writing anything, let's focus on planning. Great portfolios begin with clarity about your audience, your goals, and your brand. Ask yourself, who is my target audience? Are they potential clients, employers, or collaborators? Understanding who you are talking to will shape the tone, design, and content of your portfolio. Next, set clear goals. Do you want to generate leads? Increase your visibility? Showcase your expertise in a niche area? Your goals will influence everything from the layout to the call to action buttons. Finally, think about your brand identity. Consistent colors, fonts, and imagery can make your portfolio memorable. Take time to brainstorm these elements before moving forward. Now that we've planned, it's time to choose where your portfolio will live. There are plenty of platforms available, from website builders like Squarespace, Wix, and WordPress, to niche-specific sites like Behance for designers or GitHub for developers. Your choice should depend on your goals and technical comfort level. For those new to web design, platforms like Wix or Squarespace offer drag-and-drop simplicity. If you want more customization, WordPress might be your best bet. Keep in mind, a clean, user-friendly design is more important than fancy animations or complex features. Start simple and scale as your needs grow. Every great portfolio has a clear and logical structure. Visitors should be able to find what they're looking for in seconds. Start with a homepage that provides a brief overview of who you are and what you do. Include a headline that highlights your unique selling proposition, what makes you different. Next, have a dedicated page to showcase your work. For each project, include high-quality visuals and a short description that explains your role, the problem you solved, and the results. Don't forget an About Me page. Share your story, your mission, and what inspires you. Lastly, include a contact page. Make it easy for visitors to reach out by offering multiple ways to connect, a form, an email address, or links to social media. When it comes to showcasing your work, quality trumps quantity. Curate your portfolio to include only your best and most relevant projects. If you are a photographer, choose images that represent your style. If you are a writer, highlight pieces that demonstrate your range. For each project, tell a story. What was the problem? What was your approach? What were the results? Use clear, concise language and avoid technical jargon unless your audience is familiar with it. And remember, visuals matter. Invest in professional photography or clean graphic design to make your work shine. Your About page is where potential clients connect with you on a personal level. It's not just about listing your achievements, it's about sharing your story. Start with an introduction. Who are you, and what drives you? Use this space to highlight your unique perspective and the values you bring to your work. Include a professional headshot and a call to action that encourages visitors to explore your work or get in touch. Keep the tone conversational yet professional. The goal is to make a human connection while reinforcing your credibility. Testimonials are one of the most persuasive elements of a portfolio. They provide social proof that others trust and value your work. Reach out to past clients or colleagues and ask for a brief review. Be specific about what you are looking for. For example, ask them to describe the problem you solved, your process, and the results. Display these testimonials prominently. Pair them with a photo or logo if possible. This adds authenticity. Remember, even a single glowing review can make a big impact. Your portfolio won't help you if no one can find it. That's where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes in. Start by identifying keywords that your target audience might search for. For example, if you are a wedding photographer in Chicago, phrases like Chicago wedding photographer should be strategically placed throughout your site. Pay attention to technical SEO as well. This includes adding meta descriptions, using alt text for images, and ensuring your site loads quickly. SEO takes time, but consistent effort pays off in increased visibility. A portfolio isn't a one-and-done project. To stay relevant, you need to update it regularly. Add new projects as they come in, refresh outdated content, and experiment with different layouts to see what resonates best with your audience. Treat your portfolio like a living document that grows with your career. Building a powerful online portfolio takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. It's your opportunity to showcase your skills, build credibility, and attract the clients or opportunities you deserve. Remember, start small, stay consistent, and always focus on quality. Thank you for joining me in this journey. Until next time, keep building and growing.